Hey everyone! Welcome back to Scraping Ants channel. Today, we're exploring HTTPX, Python's next-generation HTTP client that brings async support and modern features to your web scraping toolkit. Let's kick things off with HTTPX basics. Unlike the older request library, HTTPX supports both synchronous and asynchronous operations. Here's a basic request. Notice how similar it looks to requests, making it super easy to migrate your code. Just like with requests, we can customize our user agent. But HTTPX gives us something special. Proper context managers with the with statement, ensuring our connections are always properly closed. Now here's where HTTPX really shines. Async support. Watch how we can make asynchronous requests. This is perfect for high-performance scraping, where every millisecond counts. But it gets even better. Check out how we can make multiple concurrent requests. This is where HTTPX leaves traditional synchronous libraries in the dust. Let's look at the numbers. Running 5 requests synchronously versus asynchronously. The difference is stunning. Async operations are significantly faster, especially as you scale up. Pro tip: when dealing with lots of URLs, always consider using HTTPX's async capabilities. It can dramatically speed up your scraping operations. HTTPX also comes with excellent timeout controls and retry mechanisms built in. No more complex retrieval logic needed. Before we wrap up, here's what makes HTTPX awesome. Modern async support, better performance, excellent timeout handling, full-type hint support, automatic connection pooling, and more. If you're serious about web scraping, HTTPX should definitely be in your toolkit. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our blog for more tutorials and insights. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful videos about web scraping and data science. As always, you can find a link to a full article in the description. And remember always to use proxies.